Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to rotate text in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this Home option and here you will find this Edit option. Click on this down arrow and select text. Now click on this text box and active, and here you will find this rotation icon and drag it down or up -45 degree. I rotate it and see this. Also rotate this text box. Click on this text box and rotate. In this way you can rotate a text and see this. Yeah, this is in this way you can rotate all of your text boxes or specific text boxes on your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and